We are at my newest listing at 451 Leonardo Avenue in Lake Claire. Perfect cottage on one of Lake Claire's favorite streets. Spacious living room with fireplace and lovely hardwood floors. Dining room opens to kitchen with white cabinets, stainless appliances, and breakfast bar. 2 bedrooms on the main level with updated bathroom. Upstairs is the large finished attic with room for a second living space and office or large 3rd bedroom. Side screen sun porch is ideal for play area or office space. 1-car garage makes great storage. Walking distance to shops, restaurants, and parks. Coveted Mary Lin Elementary. My favorite thing about this house is this backyard. It's incredibly lush, perfect for entertaining and for gardening and for everything you need during these times.